I feel like everybody overcomplicates this, but I'm letting you know right now, getting the perfect outfit is not that hard. Now, of course, it's so easy to look at someone else and think that they have the perfect outfit on, and it might seem a little difficult to try to dress as good as they're dressing, but promise you, if you know these certain things that I'm about to share in this video, it is really not that hard to find the perfect outfit. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so the first tip that I can give you to get the perfect outfit is going to be checking the weather. Now, especially in the mornings, before you throw on anything, check the weather outside. Whether it's on your phone, whether it's on a smart home device, whatever the case is, just check the weather outside and make sure that you're not going to be underdressed or even overdressed for the weather outside. So for example, if it's cold outside and you have no idea that it's going to be that cold outside and you throw on just a flannel, chances are it's not going to keep you as warm as it should be. So even though your outfit looks nice, it's not the perfect outfit because you're going to go throughout the entire day being completely cold, you're going to be shivering, whatever the case is, it's just not going to work. But if you have checked ahead of time and you know it's going to be cold, you can wear something like a Sherpa jacket, something a lot more thick that's going to keep you more comfortable. This is something so simple, it takes literally like 30 seconds and it goes such a long way. The next tip that I can give you is ask yourself a simple question. What are you going to do? Because of course, in my opinion, I think the perfect outfit all depends on what you're doing. I've said in the past, but you have to look good for every single occasion. And that's exactly what's gonna make yourself stand out from everybody else, because you're into men's fashion, most people really aren't. And because of that, you should be known as the stylish person. So like I said, you have to be ready for every single occasion. So whether you're going on a hike, you're just going out with some friends, whatever the case is, you have to be ready. Because something that you wear to something like a night out to the movies is going to be something completely different than, for example, like going to the beach. So that's why you really have to think about what's going to work best for what you're about to do. So for example, if you are going out, I definitely recommend sticking to a little bit more dapper pieces. Again, you don't have to go in a full dress shirt or whatever. Just some semi-dapper clothes will look good. So for example, a nice little sweater, for example, like the one that I'm wearing right now. A quarter zip sweater can be perfect for a night out. Or if you're going to chill more casually with some friends, some jeans, a t-shirt, and a flannel will look just as good. So as long as you're ready for the occasion that you're about to go out for, I promise you, you're going to be more of the well-dressed person there. The next tip that I can give you to always get the perfect outfit is going to be have some go-to pieces. Now, me personally, I always have some pieces that I prefer way more than others. So these are going to be my go-to pieces. So for example, if I'm going out with some friends and I know I need some nice casual shoes for that, my go-to shoes are going to be the Air Force Ones, especially if I'm in a rush and I don't really have time to really think about, what's going to look best, if I don't have time to try out a few different outfits. There are certain clothes in my wardrobe that I'm always going to gravitate towards because I know it looks good on me. So for example, something like a denim jacket is going to be some of my go-to pieces because I know no matter what, I can throw on a denim jacket. Chances are it's going to look nice and I already know it looks good on me, so I'm not really experimenting with anything new. Of course, the rest of my outfit can have some newer pieces, but as far as the denim jacket goes, I know that's going to look good. Now, this could be anything. This could be some hoodies, it could be some flannels, it could even be some pair of shoes like I mentioned earlier. For me, it's going to be the Air Force Ones. Like I said, it just all depends on what you prefer out of your wardrobe. Anyways, before I get into the next two, I just wanted to let you know, if you are new around here and you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to subscribe because in this channel, I simplify men's fashion. I try to help out the most people that I can. So if you haven't already, definitely make sure to subscribe. But anyways, let's get into the last two ways that you could get the perfect outfit every single time. The fourth tip that I can give you is going to be upgrading your outfit with accessories. Now, I've said it in the past. In fact, I've said it so many times, but I feel like I can't stress it enough. But literally with accessories, you could upgrade any single outfit. Now, it could turn a very boring and plain outfit to an outfit that looks way better. It's a lot more stylish because of accessories. Now, of course, it could be something like a necklace, it could be something like chains, hats, whatever the case is, as long as you have some accessories to upgrade your outfit, it's gonna look that much better. Now, the tip that I gave earlier, which is, depends on what you're gonna be doing, I also feel like that does matter with accessories, because if I'm going with some friends, I'll wear something like a hat, some more casual accessories. But if I'm going out, a hat really won't look good with a more semi-dapper outfit. So maybe I'll wear something like a watch. So whatever accessory fits the outfit the best and whatever you're gonna do, that's exactly the one that I recommend. The next tip definitely does require a little bit more time when you're getting ready, but in order to get the perfect outfit, sometimes it just takes a little bit more time. Now, I always recommend experimenting with new things, but maybe sometimes when you experiment with something new, it just doesn't turn out the way that you hoped it would. So that's exactly why the next tip is going to be swapping out whatever you're not feeling. Now, this is something that I do a lot. I have an outfit in my head that I think would look really good, but when I throw it on, maybe I'm not feeling it. Maybe I just think it doesn't look that good. So whatever I feel like can be changed to look a lot better, I'll do exactly that. So for example, we're gonna keep things simple. If I'm wearing a flannel that I really like and I thought it would look good with a certain type of color, and I throw it on, I look in the mirror and maybe I'm just not feeling it for whatever reason, a very simple thing that you could do, instead of being like, oh well, you know, I already have it on, I'm too lazy to swap it out, take the extra time to swap it out and try it with a different color, because it could look that much better. This is something that I honestly do a lot because I like to play around with more colors, especially when I'm doing something like layering. If I have a shirt underneath and some type of layering piece on top, I always like to swap out the colors to see what looks best. I like to give myself different options, and it really just depends on what you like the best and whatever you feel like looks best on you. Now again, this either could be colors, it could be like an actual piece, so maybe a different jacket will look best for you, or maybe a different type of shoes will look good for you. It just all depends on whatever you're not feeling. Just switch it out for something that you know or feel like will look better on you. But those are pretty much the 5 things that I do every single day to try to get the perfect outfit every single time. Like I said, it's really not that hard at all. A lot of people overcomplicate it. A lot of people like to compare themselves to other people, especially like on Instagram. If you're scrolling through and you see someone specifically always has a nice outfit on, I promise you they're probably doing the same things in this list. Anyways, I did hope this video did help you out, and if it did, make sure to leave a like. I'd really appreciate it. And like I mentioned earlier, if you haven't subscribed already in this channel, I simplify men's fashion, so make sure to do that right here. I'll leave a button so that way it makes it a lot easier. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'm trying to be more active on there, so make sure to follow me. The link's gonna be in the description. Or if you want to see more videos right away, here are a few that I think could really help you out. But anyways, other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.